Meaning of green room.
Green room.
Green room.
Green room.
Green room. A green room is a space in a theater or television studio where performers can relax before and after their performances. The name comes from the original use of rooms painted in a specific shade of green, which is said to have a calming effect on people's nerves. These days, green rooms are often equipped with comfortable seating, refreshments, and sometimes even TVs or other entertainment options. They are an important part of the production process because they give performers a chance to unwind and prepare mentally for their time on stage or in front of the camera.